In 5th standard and 6th standard, you have studied about the different sets of numbers. First one is natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1. And next one is whole numbers. Starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now, in this class, you have to study about integers. What are integers? Integers are positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. Right? So, let me write down. First one is natural numbers. And natural numbers we denote it by the letter n. All numbers which starts from 1, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next one is whole numbers. And I denote it by the letter w. Whole numbers. Right? This is NO is numbers. Starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next one, in this class we are studying about integers. So integers, we denote it by the letter Z and all negative numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. What do you mean by this? Can you understand? 0 and all positive numbers and all negative numbers -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. You understand? Now in this today's class, let me teach you how to locate these integers on the number line and how to add. That's all. Now we'll study how to locate the integers on the number line. If I draw a number line, how to represent the integers? You also draw this number line using a scale. In the scale, there are two sides, right? In one side there are inches. In another side, 0 to 15 centimeter in the smaller scale, your glass scale, which is there in the compass box. If you take a big scale, 0 to 30 centimeter. Normally, I advise you to take small scale which is there in your geometry box. You understand? And it should be always very much clear, not burned out anywhere. So, draw this line like this. Somewhere in the middle you mark 0. Immediately after drawing, there only for every centimeter, mark the points like this. See, like this, without lifting your scale. After that, somewhere in between, you mark 0. This side all positive, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6 and so on. Here this side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. After this, they may ask you, locate or underline +2, -3. If they ask, okay, mark +2, -3, +4, -1 on a number line. That doesn't mean only these points has to be there. Write down all the points and mark. So 2 should be marked. So I put like this. Or you can do like this also, no problem. -3. See, come here. -3. Correct? Then +4. See here. You can underline like this also, or you can mark like this. Don't draw big. This one, +4. Another one, -1. See here, -1. Then, yes, that is the meaning of mark or underline or locate. You are marking all the points. Whatever they have asked, you have to underline. You understood clearly? Yes. Now, they will ask you next. What is the sum of two integers? Let me go step. Look at the question. What is the sum of? Sum means what? Addition. Addition of +4 and +5. When you add +4 and +5, No problem at all, because all positive numbers you have to add. 4 plus 5, 9. Both up. Even though you don't put plus, no problem. If you want to put. When you add minus 4, when you add minus 4 with minus 5, again you have to add. Again you have to add. You are adding minus 4 with minus 5. Again you add 4 and 5. How much? 9. But the sign is minus. Listen properly. When you add both plus, you have to add. When you add both negative numbers, you have to add. When you add both positive numbers, you have to add. When you add both negative numbers, you have to add. But for both positive, you have to put plus sign. For both negative, you have to put minus sign. Is it clear? Yes. Now, how to locate this only on the number line? So, you draw neatly. I will explain to you just. So, 0, 1. I know. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 9. 0 I put here. This side minus 1. This side I don't want. So, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9. Okay, goes. Plus 4. You have to go from 0 to 4. 0 to 4. So, plus 4. You are going 0 to 4. Again, you are going plus 5 means you have to go in the same direction that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, again, after going plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is plus 4 plus 5 is equal to plus 9. Isn't it correct? This is how you have to add the numbers on the number line. When you add on the number line, both are plus, you are adding, you are going to the same direction. Understood clearly? Now let us see how to add two negative numbers on the number line. The next question is, what is the sum of minus 4 and minus 2? You know, minus 4 plus minus 2. What did I tell you? When you have to add two negative numbers, when you add two negative numbers, you add 4 plus 2, 6. But both are negative, so put minus 6. So, when you draw on the number line, again I am reminding you, you use the scale. Here I want minus side more, so I put 0 here. I don't want positive side, so plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. As you want, you can adjust, okay? Now, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now you understood. Minus 4 plus minus 2. That means you have to go from 0 to minus 4. You go from 0 to minus 4. Minus 4. Now you have to add. Whenever you are adding, you are going in the same direction. If both are positive or both are negative. For both are positive, I went that side only. For both are negative, I have to come this side only. Minus 2, add minus 2. Another 2 number, 1, 2. So, minus 2. So, what you have to do? You are adding minus 4 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 6. You understood? you are adding minus 4 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Did you all understand? So this is how you have to add two either positive numbers or negative numbers. Now in this class I will teach you how to add one positive number and one negative number. What is the sum of plus 4 and minus 10? And what is the sum of minus 6 and plus 3? Let us see. One is positive, one is negative. Sum plus 4 plus minus 10. I put in the bracket because there are different signs. No problem even if you don't put. But understand, you are adding two numbers of different signs. One is positive, one is negative. When you are adding the two numbers of different signs, then you have to subtract the smaller number by the bigger number. 10 minus 4 you do, or you have to find out the difference between the two. 10 and 4, 10 minus 4, 6. Your work is not over. Then you see which number has got, which sign the biggest number has. Which sign the biggest number? 4 and 10. What is the biggest number? 10. So what is the sign? Minus. So plus 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Understood? Now, what is the sum of minus 6 plus 3? So again of different signs. One is minus 6, another one is plus 3. What do you do? Again find the difference between 6 and 3. When you are adding the numbers of the same sign, you have to add. If both are plus, you put plus. If both are put minus, you have to put minus. When you add the numbers of different signs, you have to find out the difference between the bigger number and the smaller number and put the sign of the bigger number. What is the difference between 6 and minus 3? 6 and 3, 3. What is the sign of the biggest number? Minus. Finished. Now tell me, plus 20 plus minus 10. Are the numbers of different signs? Yes, you are adding the numbers of different signs. Then, bigger number minus smaller number, 20 minus 10, 10. Now what you have to do? Put the sign of the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? Plus. So plus 10. What is the sum of minus 15 plus 2? This is the negative number. This is the positive number. So what do? You have to subtract the bigger number minus smaller number. 15 minus 2, 13. And you have to put the sign of the bigger number. What is the bigger number? 15. What is the sign of that? Minus. Understood clearly? Today I am going to teach you only this much. When you add both positive number, positive plus positive, answer is positive, you add plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 minus 4 plus minus 9. Both are negative numbers. So again you have to add, but both are minus, so minus 13. When one is plus, one is minus, bigger number minus smaller number you do, and the sign of the bigger number has to go for the answer. Is it clear? One more thing I want to tell you in this class. Suppose I ask you the question, 10 plus what is 10? You know, 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. So this 0 is called additive identity. 0 is called additive identity. 0 is called additive identity, because 10 plus 0 is equal to 10, 21 plus 0 is equal to 21. That number, when you add, it doesn't change the value. Such numbers are called identity. Understand? Now, what is the additive inverse? Additive inverse. What is additive inverse? 10 plus what is 0? 10 plus minus 10 is 0. Do you agree? 10 plus minus 10 is 0. I said whenever the signs are different, you have to subtract 10 minus 10, 0, and put the sign of the bigger number. No. So 0. So that is why minus 10 is called additive inverse of 10. What is the additive inverse of minus 7? Plus 7. What is the additive inverse of plus 1? Minus 1. What is the additive inverse of plus 2? Minus 2. What is the additive inverse of minus 5? Plus 5. Everyone understood clearly? So that is called additive inverse. You understood what is additive identity? What is additive inverse? Now, today's class, last thing what I am going to teach you is how to add the numbers of different signs on the number line. Add plus 4 and minus 3. Plus 4 and minus 3. So what do? You do your method plus 4 plus minus 3. What is the answer? The signs are different. 4 minus 3, 1. Put the sign of the bigger number, plus 1. Yes. Let us locate on the number line and we'll see how to. You use the scale to draw. So 0. This side plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now plus 4. Every time you have to go from 0 only. 0 to plus 4 you go. When signs are same, you are going in the same direction further. When the signs are different, you are coming to the opposite direction. Plus 4 minus 3. Plus 4 you are gone. Minus 3 means you have to come back. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So I came back 3 steps. See, so what is plus 4 minus 3? Plus 1. Therefore, plus 4 plus minus 3 is equal to plus 1. Understood clearly? Now, what is add minus 4 and plus 7? Minus 4 and plus 7. The signs are different. Minus 4 plus 7. 7 minus 4, 3. You have to see which is the bigger number. Plus is the bigger number. So plus 3. Right? So let us draw a number line. Minus 4 plus 7. So again I have to draw a number line. 0. Again I am telling you use the scale. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, because minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, Write 0 to minus 4. Minus 4. 0 to minus 4 I am going. 0 to minus 4. Minus 4. Plus 7 means the numbers are of different signs. What do you do? Once it is of different signs, you are not supposed to go in the same direction. You have to go to the opposite direction. How many steps? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 1, 2, again you verify, after going again you verify whether you have gone to the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, minus 4 plus 7. If they are of different sides, you have to change the, what is that? You have to change the direction. If it is of the same side, you have to go in the same direction. Minus 4 plus 7, you have to go in the opposite direction. So, minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3. Did we get the answer? I hope you understood all this very clearly. To verify your doubts, I will do one more class. While I am doing subtraction, first I will go to addition and then I will do subtraction. You will understand better. If you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.